This video is a quick look at 2 of the 6 mockup apps available in Canva, Placeit Mockups and Mockups. You will find Mockups by clicking on the Apps icon in the left side toolbar and typing Mockups into the search bar. You will need to make sure you have a design open in the Canva workspace to begin. We will start with Placeit Mockups. Placeit allows you to showcase your designs on a wide range of items, including apparel like t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, and tank tops, as well as wall art, mugs, books, totes, posters, and more. Before using the app, you'll need to upload your design to the Canva workspace. Once it's uploaded, scroll down and click the Placeit Mockups icon. Browse through the available categories and choose the one that fits your project. Do any adjustments that you need and then click Continue. This may take a minute or two to produce your mockup. Next up is Mockups. Once again, make sure you have a design open in the Canva workspace. Click on Mockup in the app and select the mockup you want to use. There are plenty of options to explore. Next, navigate to your image and simply drag it into the workspace to place it. I hope you found this content helpful. Thanks for watching.